Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine at home. Students, today's library topic is an elephant. So let's start. An elephant. This is an elephant. It is grey in color. It has two big tusks. It has long trunk and short tail. It likes to eat bananas and sugar cane. In this topic, the two new words for you. First word is tusk and second word is trunk. This part of an elephant is called tusk. And this part of an elephant is called trunk. So students, you learn this topic at home and send me your audios and videos. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.